I'm gonna show you how to create 3D collage video like this one. Before the tutorial, I will show you a quick review of the ORICO 10-in-1 docking station with M2 SSD enclosure, which greatly helped me with video storage and cable management. In the box you will find a user manual, a storage bag that will keep your product safe, the product itself, a USB-C to USB-C cable, an SSD heatsink, and 3 thermal pads. It offers exceptional build quality and performance. This docking station is a valuable tool for content creators streamlining data transfer and storage. At the front you will find SD and microSD ports, as well as 2 USB 3.0 ports and a USB-C port. It has a magnetic cover under which you can easily connect the M2 drive. On the back side there is a LAN port, HDMI USB 3.0 and 2 USB-C ports, one for connecting to a PC and the other for 100 watts power delivery. This product is a great choice because it expands your connections and storage. To learn more about this product, visit the link in the video description. Open CapCut, tap on the new project and select 2 videos. After that, tap on the stock videos and select black background. Then tap on Collage button. Now select 9:16 format and then position the stock video in the middle. For now my collage video looks like this. In the next part of the video you will learn how to get a 3D effect and make it look much more interesting. Tap the overlay option and then select a video with a person in it. Decrease the opacity so that you can have a clear view while positioning the video. Now resize the video so that the person's head covers the top video. Increase the opacity and then align the videos. Now copy the overlay video, then position it below and align it with other videos. Tap on the video you copied and then in cutout select Remove Background option. Now select the video above and then tap on the Mask option. Select Split Mask, tap Invert and then position it aside it. In order to make a video even better, I decided to choose one of the filters from the movie section. If you want, you can adjust other settings and add fade to make video look cinematic. Now you need to align the filter with your video. After editing, my video looks like this. Now you can export it and thanks for watching.